Hello, my name is Peter from First Maths, and today we're going to be looking at maths vocabulary and practicing mental calculations. The resources you need: sheets of A4 paper with a number written in large digits on each. Today's mental learning objective: understand the vocabulary of addition and subtraction. The mental learning task for today. Today we're going to practice counting. When you know the answer, start chanting along with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. What was the rule? The answer is we increase the number every time by 5. We added on 5, or it is increasing by 5. 31, 28, 25, 22, 19, 16, 13, 10, 7, 4, 1. What is the rule? What was the rule this time? We counted back 3, or decreasing by 3. Now we're going to look at words about adding and taking away. Words about adding. Words about taking away. Write words in the stars about adding and taking away. You can pause the video while you do this. I need 2 volunteers. Each must choose a number. Someone now must choose a word from one of the stars. Who can make a number sentence using these numbers and words? Uses different words and numbers. How many number sentences can you make? Write down 3 different number sentences. You probably want to pause the video while you do that. The mental learning objective today was to understand the vocabulary of addition and subtraction. The main learning objective of today is this: I can show instant recall of addition and subtraction facts. I can practice different mental calculation strategies. If you need to to add or subtract a two-digit number, you can start with either the tens or the units digit, depending on the number. The main learning task. Today we'll be working in threes, trios, and on our own, individuals, in our normal maths groups. One pupil write down an equation. The two others copy it and work out the answer. The first person looks at both answers and decides which is correct, or maybe both are correct. If the first pupil decides they are not correct, or if the answers do not agree, all three pupils check the calculations until they agree on an answer. They then swap jobs so everyone can choose a sum. Group 1, simplest task. The starting number is under 50. Children can add or take away a single digit number. Group 2, middle difficulty. The starting range is in the 50 to 100 range. Pupils can add or subtract a number in the 10 to 20 range. Group 3, the hardest, super challenging level. The starting number is 150. Pupils can add or subtract a number between 10 and 50. Okay, this is where you pause the video, because you now have to solve these questions quietly. When you have solved these questions, the teacher will tell you the answers. Now, mark your answers while the teacher gives the answers. See how much you know. The main learning objective today. I can show instant recall of addition and subtraction facts. I can practice different mental calculation strategies. The plenary. Which pairs of numbers are easy to add? Which pairs of numbers are not easy to add? Why not? If the starting number is 50, I want to add 11. How could I do this? How else could I do it? Pause the video and listen to each other's explanations and ideas. If the starting number was 50, I want to add 19. How could I do this? How else could I do this? Pause the video and listen to each other's explanations. If the starting number is 51 and I want to add 18, how do I do it? Pause the video and listen to each other's explanations. If the starting number is 55 and I want to add 18, how do I do it? pause the video and listen to each other's explanations. Review of key ideas. If you need to add or subtract a two-digit number, you can start with either the tens digit or the units digit. Do you learn this today? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to know when I'm uploading my next video. And of course, don't forget to like this video to show me that you have liked this video. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.